Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to input Hindi text properly in After Effects. So if I type here something, so as you can see it is not formatted well. I have selected the correct font which I want, and there is no problem with the font, there is the problem with the alignment. So basically what we supposed to do is we just need to open Photoshop and just type it here. Okay. So as you can see, font is same, and now we have to make some adjustments. So I will bring my character panel here. We will select this, go to paragraph here, and here word ready layout. So you can see the text is already okay now. Let me change the font color so that you can see, but since I want white color only, I will choose white only, and background I will add some color in the background so that it will be visible. So now you can see it is very much visible. Just copy this, and now if you paste it in, copy this whole text, and now if we go and paste it here, it is perfect now. So this is the way to use Hindi typing in After Effects. I have tried several other ways, but I found this one is the best one and most easiest one. So if you like this video and want to watch videos like this in future, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get help in terms of information technology. Thank you very much. See you in next video.